So hi all, this is a animation that I created. Here, so I basically used a plane and I used some modifiers such as the displacement modifier, the the smoothing modifier, the solidify modifier, and the mirror modifier. I use the mirror modifier so that I can create like the bottom part of it. Then I duplicated the thing and I made this and I used a plane and I used an empty um some empties so that we can show how it moves. So when I play the animation, the empties will start moving. Will start rotating, and then I connect the empty to one of the one of the cubes, so that whenever if I use the animation to rotate the empty, I can try whenever I use the animation to rotate the empty, uh, it will rotate itself. So we'll see the animation itself. 1 minute. For this, you also have to animate the camera, or else you won't be able to see the full animation. You have to animate the camera for it to move forward, like it's supposed to move forward. It will sometimes be a bit laggy because you're using a lot of modifiers, and also Wait, the mod and also you can use a bevel modifier if you want. You can also use a bevel modifier if you want, but I didn't use that because then it would get really laggy. Also, in case you want to like actually like proper, if in case you want to like keep it like dynamic, what you can do is that you can adjust your camera, you can move it closer to the floor, and then you can rotate it a bit so that it looks like it's going down and it's actually a vertical line and not a horizontal line. But it's optional because it will probably look good without you doing that.